Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, has set up a committee to pacify and woo the River State Governor, Nyesom Wike, and other aggrieved members of the party. The initiative, according to report, was instituted by Atiku as the PDP prepares to go into the 2023 election with a unified front. It is believed that the opposition party has been rocked by an internal crisis since Atiku rejected Wike, who had been touted as his running mate, and chose Governor Ifeanyi Okowa of Delta State for the position. Prior to Okowa's emergence, Wike had been selected by the party advisory committee as the vice presidential candidate, but Atiku decided to go for Okowa. Although Wike had promised to stay with the party following his rejection by Atiku, some of his followers have dumped the PDP. Apart from the former Minister of Niger Delta, Gosde Orubebe, who recently left the party, an ex-commissioner in Edo State, Kazeem Afebua, and many others have also dumped the PDP. As a result of the looming mass defection in the party, Atiku was said to have set up a team to pacify and fully bring back Wike into his campaign council ahead of the 2023 general election. A party chieftain who spoke on the matter said, however, the initiative to make peace with Wike and get him into Atiku's campaign may be leading for the rocks, as some of the governor's loyalists have dismissed the move as unnecessary. Ogbomna Nwuke, a party chieftain and lawmaker in Rivers State, has reportedly described Atiku's reconciliation committee as a contradiction. He said, he also stated that no matter what happened, Wike would not leave the PDP. What is your take on Wike not being picked for the vice president's position?